breaking news coming in as northeast Indian states reel under severe flood fury. Viewers, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has taken stock of the situation. In a post on social media platform X, Amit Shah has written, and I quote him, spoke with the chief ministers of Assam, Manipur, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh in the wake of the ongoing heavy rainfall in their states. Also assured them of every possible help to tackle any situation. The Modi government stands like a rock in support of the people of the Northeast, unquote. Remember, viewers, northeastern India is reeling under heavy rains and multiple landslides have disrupted normal life in several parts of northeastern India. My colleague Tejashri is getting us more on this. Tejashri, the Union Home Minister taking stock of the situation in northeast India. What more do you have? Currently, the ground situation remains concerning with authorities who have pressed into action.
Well, absolutely. The ground situation is very much concerning and sensitive as far as the states of Northeast is concerned, because remember that more than 30 people have lost their lives in the landslide and the heavy rainfall that the states of Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, they all have been witnessing. More than 12,000 people are homeless. Not just that, but also at multiple, places there are landslide, mudslides, and several tourists are also stranded. Not just that, but also red and orange alerts have been issued in nearby areas, and also several flights are definitely cancelled, suspended because of this heavy floods. And also recently, the recent update that we are picking up right now is the Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to the Chief Minister of the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and other states as well, and have assured all the kinds of help. Remember that joint operation is being carried out, rescue operation is being carried out by SDRF and NDRF teams. They are continuously trying on ground to rescue as many people as possible who are stranded over there as of now. Back to you.
Right, Tejshri, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Viewers, let's also tell you what has been happening in northeastern India. Heavy rains have caused devastating floods and landslides across northeastern states, resulting in at least 32 deaths and affecting more than 60,000 people in the last 2 days. The states most impacted include Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. First up, let's get you state-wise updates, starting with Assam, where 9 rain-related deaths have been reported, including 5 in Guwahati due to a landslide in the Bonda area. 2 deaths have been reported in Lakhimpur district following flooding from excess water released by the Ranga Nadi Dam. Over 75,000 people have been affected across 15 districts, with significant damage to homes and infrastructure. Guwahati and Tezpur, in fact, experienced record-breaking rainfall for May, leading to urban flooding and closure of schools and offices. Meanwhile, in Sikkim, 1,500 tourists have been stranded due to heavy rains and landslides. Search for 8 missing tourists has been halted for the moment as the water levels in the Tista River is rising. Their vehicle plunged 1,000 feet into the river in Mangan's Munsithang. We spoke with Pramod Kumar Singh, who is a resident of UP's Pratapgarh. He's currently stranded in Sikkim along with his relatives. They are stranded in Sikkim's Sangkalang. Listen in to him detailing his ordeal.
घटना 29 तारीख को ये 8 से 9 बजे के बीच में हुई है और हमें प्रशासन ने कोई सूचना नहीं दी। हमें जो होटल वाले ने 30 तारीख को दोपहर के बाद सूचना दी है। प्रशासन की लगातार लापरवाही हमें दिख रही है, क्योंकि जब ये लोग घटना में मलबे को बरामद कर लिए थे, हमारी गाड़ी जो बरामद कर लिए थे, तो आईटीबीपी के लोगों ने जो है इसको निकालने का प्रयास किया, लेकिन निकाल नहीं पाए। तो इनको तुरंत ही और व्यवस्था करनी चाहिए थी। ये कैसे मलबे को छोड़ के हट गए वहां से। हमारे जो लोग थे उनको ऐसे छोड़ कैसे दिए, जो है बीच में रेस्क्यू बंद कैसे कर दिया। हमारा जो है केवल यहाँ की प्रशासन से यही सवाल है कि 29 तारीख को रेस्क्यू कर रहे थे, 30 तारीख को रेस्क्यू, ये 31 तारीख हो गई और 1 तारीख हो गई, ये लोग रेस्क्यू क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे। हम 5 लोग आए हैं अपने यहाँ से प्रतापगढ़ से, और उस गाड़ी में 8 लोग और भी जो है मिसिंग हैं।
All right, we'll keep getting you updates on the ground situation in northeastern India. Currently, viewers, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on the other side.